Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Ryobi 18 volt 1 system, or 1 plus 18 volt lithium backpack chemical sprayer. It says sprays up to 40 gallons per charge. It says no pumping required. Mesh bag and adjustable shoulder straps. World's largest battery system, 4 gallons, 2 amp hour battery and a charger included. It does have a 3-year warranty according to this, and this is the top. Alright, let's get to the unboxing here. Alright, first thing that we have an instruction manual here, some literature, free seals for life. Right, then we have the charger. We got a smaller charger here, really compact charger. And then maybe we got a battery cover. Yep, the battery and a battery cover. So this is the battery cover. Then we got a 2.0 amp hour battery here. So just your normal battery, not the newest one with the gauge there. And then we got the back itself. We'll just take this out. Then we got the backpack itself. Alright, that's the back. It says 4 gallon 1 plus Ryobi. We got the handle here. We got some gaskets here. And then we got some tips. This is the spray nozzle here. Pretty much you can press it if you want to leave it pressed when you're spraying. Just pull this tab here, that way it locks in place. And to unlock it, just pull it back and just release. You do have some sort of filter, should have some sort of filter in here. Or spring or something. This is the spring and some sort of mechanism there. Alright, if we turn this around, we got the backpack sprayer here. Got some nice shoulder straps, or some straps. They're pretty wide and pretty thick, actually pretty comfortable. They got a thick foam here, and it seems to be pretty durable here, the material. So it's a double layer thing. It's pretty much the black one, and then the yellow one that goes all the way to the back. And then we got some sort of like a back support here with air, a little bit of gap in between the tank and the back part, so that way you don't have chemical on your back. and it is breathable. As you can see there, we got some nice paddings at the bottom. Nice soft padding. And then on this side we got liters, 15 liters, 10, 5. And then we've got this attachment to, I guess, to attach or to hold the wand. Then in here we got the cap. Pretty simple. We got a little filter here so nothing drops in, and then we have the interior of the backpack. As you can see, that is the hose right there. Seems to be pretty low, so it reaches all the way down. Nothing else. Seems to be pretty good condition. Then we have a gasket here so it prevents the spills. So this always have to be on the backpack with the lid, otherwise it's gonna spill. Then we got the one on this side. As you can see, that is the holder for the wand. All I have to do is just pull it out and assemble it. Just put it in there. Gasket should already be in there. Just testing if it's tight enough. And then they gave you different tips. I guess they give you like a fan spray. The red ones are like a fan spray. Oops. Yeah, the red one's like a fan spray. As you can see there. Not really like that fan spray. I like more the adjustable. This is the adjustable. All I have to do is just adjust the left and right. Maybe to a pin or to a wide fan spray. That's the one I use. All you gotta do is just put it in there. Screw it in there with your hands. Remember, this is plastic, so just hand tight. Always make sure that's tight. This should be loose because this is the adjustable. Then on this side of the backpack we got gallons. 4, 3, 2, and 1. At the motor part, seems like we got an on and off button here. It has a rubber gasket on the side. So on and off button there. We got some pretty much metal casing all the way around. And then this is the part where you put the battery. I guess you can put this cap here. It's not really like a weatherproof cap. There's open space at the bottom, as you can see. Alright, we're pretty much putting the battery in there, installing the battery, removing the cap, removing the filter, and pouring some water in there. So just water to test it out. I always just pour water, because if it leaks, you don't want it leaking chemical or anything. Replacing the filter, the cap, and then that is the on and off button right there, as you can see, and that is the 1 gallon level, and that's the way it looks when it's on. Yeah, I know I'm not the perfect model. And pretty much that's how it sprays. You know, pretty impressed with this spray because it has a lot of power. You can feel it in the trigger, and when you let off the trigger, it shuts off. I wish I could show you guys the actual sound of the footage. It doesn't make a lot of sound, just a little bit like that. But yeah, my camera didn't record sound. That's the way you lock it. Lock the trigger in or on. And we're removing, pretty much drain it all the way to it couldn't remove it. It couldn't spray anymore. And yeah, you got a few ounces in there, which is fine. You know, every backpack sprayer has the same. It's the same basically. It's always going to leave a few ounces there. I'm pretty impressed. The only thing I don't like is the cap for the battery. It gets in the way. It makes it look wider. Next one.